I'm pretty sure your belt's wrapped around your clutch, and that's why you can't start it, because that clutch has got to turn for your motor to be able to turn. If that thing's like a rat's nest, like most belts are when they blow, then it's tangled up inside there, and it's not going to allow your motor to start.
Oh my gosh, what amazing timing.
How old is that belt?
I've got about, I think I replaced it when she started to, when it got hot that one time. So that was probably, 1,500 miles ago. So I've definitely got my money's worth out of it.
Yeah, typically you don't want to go much more than 1,000 miles. I got to replace both belts on my razors.
This is the drive of shame.
Yes, it is. Being pulled by a Honda Accord.